Hi there, I'm Mrs. Griffin, and I'm here to help you with finding unknown lengths in similar figures. The key concept here is that in similar polygons, the lengths of the corresponding sides form equivalent ratios. So our corresponding sides form equivalent ratios, also called proportions. Now, what we need to do here is we need to first identify the corresponding sides, especially if there's a missing length, and we're looking for an unknown length. So you need to involve the side that's unknown with its corresponding side of the other polygon, and then write and solve a proportion. Let's walk through an example. Triangle ACT and triangle ODG are similar. So ACT and ODG. Find the value of x. So we're looking for the length of this side here, x. Let's highlight that. That's the side we're looking for. So we want to identify the corresponding side with side AC. In this triangle we've got side AC. In this triangle we've got side OD. So we can start by writing a ratio AC over side OD. And we're going to write a corresponding, or a proportion using another set of corresponding sides, like side AT, which corresponds to side OG. So AC is to OD as AT is to OG. Now you want to make sure that when you write corresponding side to corresponding side and corresponding side to corresponding side, that you'll see here my smaller triangle, both my side lengths are in the numerator of my ratios. And in my larger triangle, both my side lengths are in the denominator. So those need to be consistent. We need to have consistent ratios. So AC is to OD. If you start at the smaller triangle, again you write the smaller to the larger. So make sure you've got that set up. Now that we've written it algebraically, we're going to substitute in the side length. So side length AC is what we're looking for, which is x. OD we know is 50 centimeters, so we substitute that in. AT is 24 centimeters, and OG is 30 centimeters. And so we've written our proportion algebraically, and we've set it up with our numbers. Now what we can do here is we can write 24 over 30 in simplest form. Both of these are divisible by 6. So since 24 divided by 6 is 4, and 30 divided by 6 is 5, in simplest form 24 over 30 is 4 over 5. And we can then rewrite our proportion as x over 50 is equal to 4 over 5. And now this is easier to solve because we can see that 5 times 10 is 50, so we've got a common multiplier of 10. So to solve for x, we simply need to multiply 4 times our common multiplier of 10. And since 4 times 10 is 40, then we know that x is equal to 40. And that is 40 centimeters. And that's all there is to it. So just remember that you want to set up your proportion with the corresponding sides, smaller to larger, or starting with one to the other, and set it equal from one to the other. Be consistent, substitute in, simplify, and solve. And that's all there is to it. So great job, and have fun with finding unknown lengths in similar polygons.